What's up, my little paninis, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we have a very special episode. We were featured on the famous Binging with Babish cooking YouTube channel. So in this episode I'm gonna go through that. We're gonna make a quick cocktail, then we'll watch the episode that we're featured in. So today, Babish releases his 3 million subscriber celebration video along with the Babish Panini announcement. And to our surprise, we're in it not once, but twice. And so now people are asking me, what people? People, Cam J. You got the attention of Babish, you're featured on a 3 million subscriber channel. Didn't that change your life? Yes, it did. So let me bring you through how it changed. First thing and probably most notable, people started recognizing me now. I go into work, people are like, hey J-Mac. I'm like, hey. You'll notice right away the shirts, okay? Only awesome button downs, long sleeve, rolled up to show off my awesome tattoos, which I also just got. Deep V's only, showing off the chest hair. Okay, I'll pencil that in later. The apron, I always make sure that I'm wearing it. I've also started talking to people in real life so that they can't see my neck or head anymore. Whoa, how are you doing that? Cam J, I learned it while being on Binging with Babish. Dude, stop that, man, you're freaking me out. Well, I'm sorry, Cam J, I've changed. I've also started cross-sectioning all of my food. That last one was coagulated intestine soup, in case you were wondering. Also, people start randomly leaving wedding rings at your house. This actually has little to do with the Babish episode. Unless it's yours, Babish, then in that case, you know, come pick it up. It'd be kind of weird if you claimed it though, because I know whose it is, so... Let's stop messing around and talking about how my life changed. Let's make a cocktail and go watch this thing. We're gonna use a chilled coupe for this. I don't have 10 minutes to let this chill in the freezer, so we're gonna do the next best thing. We're gonna dump in some ice water and let that sit while we make the drink. Fill a stirring glass with ice. We're gonna add 2 ounces of whiskey, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're gonna stir that for 45 seconds. Let's dump the ice water from our coupe. Pour our cocktail into our chilled glass. And we're gonna garnish that off with a Luxardo Maraschino cherry. I call this one the Binging with Babish, featured on 3 millionth episode, and how it changed my life cocktail. We're basically a Manhattan without the rye. So let's go watch the video that changed my life. Alright, let's check this video out.
We got like 250 on Instagram.
Oh, and he's got the silver play button in the background.
Was
that platinum?
People made
no,
videos
silver.
and like did like a parody.
Hashtag, I don't know, Babish Panini?
Can do, Andrew.
This dude's was
Hey,
awesome.
what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Singeing with Babish.
Nice
Hey,
tattoos.
what's up, guys? Welcome back to Munching with Mattish.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Binging with... Did you see it? J-Mac? There it is! Wait, so that was it? Hold on, Cam J, it's not done yet.
In digestives.
And let's throw in a quarter cup of our Dorito breadcrumb mix.
I candied the bacon with a little...
Alright, let's check out the end.
So I'd like to congratulate Redditor Great Muffins for winning the challenge with their goat cheese chorizo cheddar.
Whoa, so you didn't win? And you didn't even make runner-up? What do you mean, dude? That was twice! Did he at least link you in the description? No. Oh my god. Wait, so that's it? That's what this whole thing is about? Oh, dude, you're gonna make a lot of people mad. No, in all seriousness though, it was so cool to see our episode even flash up on Binging with Babish's channel. We had a ton of fun with that challenge, and to be honest, all those submissions that we saw in the video, way better than ours. So like, congrats to you guys, that was awesome. I really hope he does it again. And so thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more episodes, subscribe to the clickbait.